Hello kids. Colors name: pink color, brown color, yellow color, orange color, light green color, light pink color, sky blue color, red color and blue color. Shapes are drawing kids: green color, heart. Kids, green color heart, pentagon, cylindrical, cylindrical, rectangle, rounded square, circle, sky blue color, heart, orange color kids, pentagon, light green color, cylindrical, light pink color, rectangle, yellow color, rounded square, black color, circle, heart, pentagon, cylindrical, rectangle, rounded square, circle. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.